Hello friends, this is Akul Mac Live. I am Chandrakant. Today we want to discuss about the cross-border business which usually happens in large enterprises, and they set up their accounts with the bank, and in order to set up business for small medium enterprises, SMBs and startups, it is really a tough proposition because first of all, the amount of money they can transfer between countries, there is a cap to it. They can receive money and send money, but it's little tedious for startups and SMEs, and it is not cost effective because there is a cost to doing foreign exchange transaction. So before we start our discussion, I like to tell you friends that we are actually giving away Akul Mac memorabilia. Please stick around till the end. We expect you to give comments, and we will tell you how you can claim your beautiful Akul Mac memorabilia at the end of this video. So there are two countries who have come together, and in order to help the SMEs in their own respective countries, so that they can freely transfer money to each other, and hence they can grow their own businesses. Because what happens is that this startups and SMEs are actually uh, doing a lot of innovation. I mean, they are doing more innovation than the larger enterprises, and they have limited budget. So when they come out with this innovative ideas and something which is like a new technology, new innovation, they also need a lot of funding to propagate, to spend in marketing and propagate the message. Also have sales engine, and one of the best method to grow for startups and SMEs is to find partners. So they can find partners within the country. There is no limitation on that. But then if there are partners required in a different country, then usually they will find it very tough to do transfers, and there are different taxations and different tax treaties and so on. So the latest is that yesterday Thailand and Singapore decided to merge their two micropayment applications, and which will enable the small players, small medium enterprises and startup to extend the financial inclusion across the border between Thailand and Singapore. They have linked. Singapore has an application called Pay Now, and Thailand has an application called Prompt Pay. So both countries have decided to link this, and if somebody has to transfer money from Thailand to Singapore, all they can do is just they have to know the telephone number or mobile number of the recipient, and they can simply transfer the money. There is at the moment limit of $1,000 Singapore dollars, which is equal to 25,000 bahts. And there is a relationship between the uh, authority, the finance authority of Singapore, and the Bank of Thailand, which is going to enable these transactions. Of course, these transactions will vary in terms of how much money is transferred based on the cross currency fluctuation, but at least it is a lot easier. Now the traders in Thailand and Singapore, they can actually find clients across the border without having to worry about how they will make the payment, because there is no need for registering with a bank, opening a forex account, then paying withholding tax, etc. Just by transferring money from your app and sending to a Singapore number is a breezer now. So I think this is what is a learning for all of us. In fact, all other countries who are especially developing countries are even developed countries, we should actually make this simple for the sake of making sure that SMEs and the startups find customers across the world without any problem, without any border barriers. And there should be a mechanism to collect money and also pay money. For example, if I have to buy some technology, then there is a withholding tax. For example, if I have to if I have to pay for a software which I want to utilize in my own company, and if I pay my personal card, there is a huge amount of tax that I need to pay to the government, and so on. So I'm sure there are legal hurdles across the countries, and This is what is a learning from Thailand and Singapore, and I thought I'll bring this to your notice because this is latest. It happened yesterday between Thailand and Singapore. By the way, they are different countries. They are not same countries, but people from Thailand can transfer money directly on the mobile phones of people in Singapore, and vice versa. So, friends, do write to me if you like this news, if you like this assessment, and if you like that, or you have some expectations from your respective government. You can comment on this video, and based on your comment, I will include you in my next video. Until then, I like to say goodbye. We have some unique Akulmek memorabilia which will make you look outstanding. The graphics on these corporate gifts are based on the global best business practices. To become recipient of one of these gifts for free, you have to watch this video till the end and provide your valuable comments. Or you can also share your experiences. The person who makes the best comment would be chosen to become a recipient of these beautiful Akulmek gift, absolutely free, delivered to your doorsteps. The winner would also get a chance to be invited live as a distinguished panelist during our next video. What are you waiting for, friends? Please subscribe Akulmek and smash that like button. Now let's get back to our discussion.